Hi, just going to show you support material removal from a very large print we did of the Stanford bunny. You can see that on the IBB plate it's pretty much maxed it out. It's printed about 5 1/4 inch long and pretty high. It's probably the limit on the height too. Anyway, that's done on the IBP plate with the Kapton tape on it, and we're going to take it off now. So if we let this whole assembly cool, and we're just going to use our blade removal tool. You can get these at the Up USA store, just to get the raft up from the edges, trying not to damage the Kapton film. So you generally just loosen the edges from the film using this tool, and then it just came off. So once that cools, it's pretty easy to get off. And you can see the plate is still usable for another print after this. So now you'll see all your support structure that the Up software has put in automatically, and that's supporting all of the overhangs that are present in this model, the ears and the chin. And we're going to go ahead and start removing the support material. So I'll use the tool that came with the Up. Take your time with doing this because you don't want to hurt yourself. The plastic, the ABS is sharp as well as the tool. So let's take your time. So I'm going to take this area out below the chin here, just so you can see how that comes off. It's peeled right off. You can see, pretty smooth. It's attached very cleanly. This is another tool. It's called a nipper tool. It's pretty handy. This is a little big for this size nipper, but it's good because it grabs large surfaces between these even teeth here. So it does a good job at pulling off the support. Now usually the removal of the raft on especially large builds like this is the most difficult part, because that's the area that was heated the most during the build, and therefore it's the raft sometimes fuses more aggressively to the bottom of the build part. So that's when we use our chisel tool. This is when you really want to be careful. You don't want to cut yourself. Never position yourself so that if you slip, the tool will strike your hand. That's a no-no. Always position your part in a way that if you miss, if the tool slips, it'll hit the table, not your body. So I put it down on the table like this, and we want to work that tool into that gap there and twist. Gap, twist. See, if I slip here, I just damage the table, which is better than damaging your hand. And this tool is very sharp. This version of the bunny happens to be hollow, so you will be able to actually take out the support material that's inside the bunny, but I'm going to leave it in there. That's it. All the support material has been removed, and there's your very large Stanford bunny, done in red VF01, which is our ABS, and it's a great print.